What's up, guys? Today is sandblasting day. If it's loud, that's why. This thing is a massive machine. Let me show it to you. Check this thing out. Woo! He is going to town. I think we're all set, guys. Check it out. Very nice. No more paint. Nice. Can't wait to see what's coming next. All right, the trailer is blasted. This thing looks really good. Yeah, no more paint whatsoever. So at this point, it is ready to go to the paint shop. After it gets painted, that's when we get to do the wiring and the axle components and all the rest of that. But yeah, first things first, we got to make it shiny. So I'm getting everything scheduled right now. It'll be over to the paint shop here very shortly anyway. And also we got to take care of these fenders. So it's going to the body shop right now and they're going to work some magic on them. So fingers crossed, let's see how this goes. Okay, moment of truth. Take these bad boys, see if they still fit here. And my hope is that the fitment is still going to be good and we can still use them. Let's see. All right, it's just what I was afraid of. Getting them fixed up, rolled out, straightened out. Now they're a little too long for the brackets. So where they fit good on one side, right? The other end is too long. So, well, we got some work to do, boys. So this basically means that these brackets are probably going to have to be cut off and moved. There's probably just enough room. I've got a little bit of room right here before the bracket would hit the frame, but of course the actual fender has to fit in there too. So yeah, this is going to be a tight fit. All right, time to go to work. We've just got some major repositioning to do here, so let's hope it's worth it. Next up, we're going to use this rod to make some chain hooks so that we can hook the chains here instead of just, you know, over the top. Clean it up a little bit. Sweet. I'm gonna put this thing all back together, and at this point it's ready to take over to the paint booth. So yeah, let's put it together. It's obviously completely bare, so I have zero wiring on it. I'm gonna have to go find just one of those taillight kits so that I can at least be legal to get it over to the body shop, and yeah, it'll come back looking a little different than it does now. So let's go on a road trip. That'll do. On sale. Whew. Dang, that's fancy. Check this out. These apparently are not meant for super long trailers because this is barely gonna reach. And if you notice, I couldn't even put them all the way at the back of the trailer. But hey, it's gonna work. They're magnetic, and I zip tied them since it's only on the cross member, just in case. Wait. That ain't going nowhere. Oh man. Definitely stopping there on the way back. Bucky's! Yeah, Bucky's. There she is. Pulling great. Anyway, my route takes me directly past Greenville Happy Trailers. So we gotta do something, at least honk at them and make sure that they're awake out there. Happy Trailers! My bad. I think this guy thought I was honking at him. Sorry, we're good. What's up, Good Guys Trailers? All right, we made it. Here's the trailer, and welcome to Good Guys Trailer. They are a smaller manufacturer here based out of Paris, Texas. They do livestock trailers, they do open trailers, flatbeds, and they have been awesome. They are allowing me to bring my old PJ in just to get a fresh coat of paint on it. We're going to work it through the paint booth here in their production process. So super big shout out to Aaron and all the guys here at Good Guys. I guess we'll get a little plant tour as this trailer goes through the paint booth and see how everything works around here. But once again, Good Guys, I really appreciate it. So this is Candy Apple Red. And we are going with blackout package. Obviously it's going to be PJ logos, it's not a Good Guys trailer, but just to kind of give you a sneak peek of the color that this trailer is going to be. And it's sharp. It's going to look good. Alright guys, I'm inside the paint booth right now. These guys are so awesome. They let me come inside to watch them do their thing. I need to get masked up real quick, but they're already starting to lay down the primer on the fenders. The trailer's coming up. Shortly after that, they start with the paint. So it's all going down. I'm so pumped to see it. Let's go. Alright guys, they're wrapping it up right now, putting coat number 2 on over in the shop. So we're going to leave it good at that so that it can dry, of course. It has to cure for, they prefer up to 48 hours, so I'm just going to come back in a few days, pick it up, and at that point she'll be ready for all the goodies, I guess. We're going to do the finish process after that with the flooring, the wiring, and actually be able to put this whole thing together. So I'm super pumped. Once again, thank you so much, all the guys here at Good Guys, and can't wait to see the finished product.